So our operations team and management team, as well as our ownership, have been at the leading tip of the spear since this whole crisis started. Daily, we are making changes at Lund Construction. We're practicing social distancing.
To make sure everyone's keeping their 6 feet and then, sterilizing and washing their hands.
Our crews are all geared up with gloves, PPE, disinfecting tools. They try not to share tools. Everybody has their own shovel.
We actually got hand sanitizer too in each of the crew trucks too.
We typically, have water jugs on our trucks and ice. We've stopped that practice and we've gone to bottled water. The operators tend to stay on one machine during the day. They're not switching machines. They're keeping their job sites clean, their trucks clean. They're wiping down the steering wheels and the interiors of the cabs with disinfectant wipes and doing their best to ensure the safety of themselves and their crew. With the shutdown, we had a few federal projects going. One was in Yosemite, a big one in Yosemite, and those resources, that job was shut down and closed, so those resources became available to us. We are actually, in these dark times, we're able to make quite a bit of light out of it. And with the shelter-in-place rules and the schools closed down, the traffic flow has probably decreased 65 to 70%. Traffic flows, would allow us only to go 6 hours a day. We're able to actually now, we're working 10 hours a day on the right-of-way. Today's day 2 out there in the intersection, and we should be done tomorrow. Our original schedule was 8 days. So it's an ever-evolving animal, and Lund Construction is doing an outstanding job with our clients as well to continue working through this whole coronavirus. Construction is essential because it drives the economy. Especially in California with the need for more homes. We need to be out here building these homes. We need to be building the vital infrastructure.
For me, it feels like such a privilege and an honor to be able to continue to work and come out here and support my family. It just makes you really grateful. And when it makes you grateful, it also shows in your work ethic as well, how appreciative we are to be out here doing something great.